In my journalism class, when I used the same word over and over again, my professor would go, "Oh, that's pretty boring. Can't you use something else?" Like, for example, I'm talking about essential oils here that come from like shrubs, flowers, trees, what I like to call plant sweat. These sweats or liquid-like substances, I keep using sweat, sweat. He says, okay, can you find something else that has the same meaning but a different word to describe these plant juices? Don't use sweat. Well, what you can do is you can look up what's called a synonym, an alternative choice for the word that you're using here, by right-clicking on it, going to synonyms, and let's see, we've got perspirations. That sounds kind of cool. Plant sweat. These perspirations or liquid-like substances help plants defend themselves from bugs, disease, and harsh environmental conditions. So you can see how your synonyms can either make your document sound a little bit more sophisticated, or you can dumb it down and say, these perspirations, right-click, go to synonyms, these fluids, and keep it simple, or exudates. Wow, okay. I guess I could really have a lot of people baffled by using these even hoitier words. Let me click off in the blank area. In any case, you get the idea.
Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.